Matcha is milled using mill jars, including gyokuro and sencha. It's necessary for tea. Turning over the soap is now done by machine in order to improve. Thorough drying helps preserve. Even mechanized tea
那你也帮我拿雨伞。